Okay, so we are done with the autoclave. Sorry, but I already did few steps. For example, I added antibacterial that I use in for my prep, that is tetracycline, and I also added anti-foam, which you may require around 250 microliter using this and the syringe. And I can also connected ammonium hydroxide, which is a base, and as the system acid goes, bacteria grows in the system, and the medium becomes more acidic. So for that, to increase the pH, ammonium hydroxide is added in the system, and also the glucose, which is nutrient. And I also prime the tubes so that you can see the level is here and it just drops in. What else? So let's make the connections now. So if you see vessel, if you look at here from here, you see it's the return. You see it's written here. Yep. So return will go in return. Let me see. It's written out. Okay. Let's fix this. Goes in. And this goes for vessel supply. Oh my god, it's too tight. Okay. Let's make the connection. It's fixed. And you can remove this and remove the pH cap. Let's see. The pH sensor will go here. And you'll see this is for measuring the temperature. And we see, and we should come here. See this hole here? This tube where I'm gonna put my temperature sensor. This tiny hole. Yep. So I'm just gonna put my temperature sensor in there. And just to make sure, add a little bit water on it. That's good. Alright. Remove this cap and put the motor on top of it. See there's one hole here. We should match this up. The motor is fit, right and good. Now we're gonna calibrate the DO sensor. So for calibrating the DO sensor, you can see this is for our DO sensor. Let's take this out. Take this out. This will go here, but we will not gonna be plugging in. We first go to our user interface. Gonna click here. Go to DO. See, no connection is done, so we're just gonna set 0. Okay. Now, one more thing, I forgot to connect this air supply in our system. But that was too tight for aluminum foil. Put this nice smooth. The oil supply is done. Now after setting 0 I can connect this DO sensor. Which pin goes to where? Okay. This is connection to I don't know where it goes here. This other connection. Fix. You might wanna switch it right there. I don't know. Fix. Gonna turn the chiller on. For turning the chiller on, there's a switch at the back. Here. This on button here. So this is for measuring the maintaining the temperature. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna go here, turn the temperature on, turn the agitation on. You can see it starts agitating now. I'm gonna turn the slow on. We forgot to switch off the air supply. Switch on the air supply. So that we switches the air supply on. It's on. You can stop it.